Fabri Eligiado, section Hypertext. This video, it talks about each definition and examples of the data definition language and the database administrator. And there are four related of DBMS: domain constraints, referential integrity, assertions, authorizations, and data dictionary. Those are represents aspects or considerations when defining and managing the structure and integrity of data in a database. What is data definition language? Data definition language, or DDL, is a part of SQL used to define a database's structure, including tables, columns, and relationships. You can create DDL scripts to document the structure, and it's handy for setting up test systems mirroring the production database without actual data. Here are some of examples of DDL, or data definition language. Statements like create, alter, and drop are used to manage our database structure. They are typically part of SQL, which is a formal language for database operations. SQL uses standard English verbs to make changes to the database structure. Here are the domain constraints. What is domain constraints? Domain constraints in a DBMS, or database management system, are rules that specify the allowable data types for attributes within a table. They ensure that data entered into the table matches the defined data types. Here are the examples of domain constraints, such as value sets. Define the acceptable values for specific data items. Examples include code table, translation tables, and existence check tables, which ensures the data adheres to predefined valid values.
Hello everyone, my name is Crisia Divina Grafia, and now we're about to discuss what is referential integrity. So referential integrity, it is a constraint on the database design that makes certain that each foreign key in a table points to a unique primary key value in another table. This will ensure that data is not lost, and it will also help you maintain data quality. So here are the examples in referential integrity. Ensures the accuracy and consistency of relationship between tables. For instance, when two tables share linked columns, like product identifiers in sales records, matching those in the product table, it enforces the consistency. Hello again. Let's proceed to the next one. What is assertions? Assertions in a database aren't tied to a specific table or event. Instead, they perform user-defined tasks, like maintaining integrity when primary and foreign key constraints are absent. They are flexible tools for ensuring data accuracy. So here are the examples of assertions. And databases are similar to column and table constraints but defined separately from table structures. For instance, a column constraint like quote-unquote not null ensures a specific column isn't empty, while a table constraint like a complex foreign key is applied to multiple columns and can't be expressed as individual column constraints.
Hello everyone, my name is Floyd Goli, and we are about to discuss what is authorization. Authorization in a database means identifying users and granting access to resources in a DBMS. The authorization manager assigns based on our own rules. Administrators authorize users and define their access permission. There are the examples of authorization. Involves granting specific permissions like following someone to download a specific file from us, serving or giving certain users administrative access to an application. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Alvaro Pernis, grade 12 hypertext section. What is dictionary? A dictionary is a reference containing names, definitions, and attributes of data elements in a database or system. So here are the examples of data dictionary data. Data dictionary stores data elements, details like name, data type, storage, and validation rules. It also tracks table info like creator, rows, columns, and access data.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Samantha Cristel Sinapida, and we're about to discuss is what is database administrator. What is database administrator? A database administrator oversees databases maintaining their operation, security, and data integrity. They collaborate with developers to enhance feature and resolve issues. Here are the samples of database administrator. Manage databases, ensuring data accuracy, security, and operational performance. They collaborate with developers to enhance features and resolve issues. This is what a database uses. What is database users? In a simple terms, a database users in a database management system is anyone who uses the database to access the retrieved data through the system-provided application and interface. Here are the example of database user in DBMS are individuals with authorized access to read, insert, update, and delete specific records within a database defined by fields and business rules.
Good evening everyone. I'm Jerry Tabasa, grade 12 HYPERTEXT. What is application programmers? The application programmers, also known as back-end developers, are computer professionals responsible for creating application programs and user interface. They possess expertise in database management system, including both the definition language, the DDL, and the data manipulation language, the DML. Commands are familiar with working on databases. Examples of such application include Wikipedia for online, encyclopedias, Facebook for social media website, and Salesforce for CRM system.
Good day everyone, my name is John Lawrence Pisalas, and today we're going to be talking about what is sophisticated users. Sophisticated users, often SQL programmers, interact with the system by using database query language instead of writing programs. They craft queries to manipulate the database, performing tasks like deletion, selection, insertion, and updates. Here are the examples of sophisticated users. In a DBMS are individuals knowledgeable about DBMS.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to everyone. My name is John Maxim Tiamicable, and I am from Group 3 in DBMS. My topic for today is going to be online analytical processing, also OLAP. Is a software technology enabling users to analyze data from multiple databases simultaneously. It uses a multi-dimensional data model, allowing users to query and explore data in multiple dimensions. Here are some examples. In industry like digital marketing, healthcare, e-commerce, and finance, OLAP is used for marketing purposes. For instance, market-based analysis is a technique used to study customer purchases in supermarkets, helping identify patterns of frequently purchased items by customers. What is specialized users? Specialized users create custom database applications outside the standard framework, while application programmers develop application programs and user interfaces. Here are some examples. We can categorize them into 7 categories as follows: database administrators or DBA, database designers, system analysts, application programmers, naive users or paramic users, sophisticated users, casual users or temporary users.
ご覧いただきありがとうございました。